Dear students, today you are talking about an important lesson in grammar. The present simple tense. Simple. It is the first form of the verb. It indicates a habit or fact. Examples. Pupils come to school every day. The earth goes round the sun. Form. It consists of the verb without any addition. With I, we, they, and you. Example I. Go to school on foot. We add s, ies. In the end of the verb with the subjects, he, she, it. He crosses, he rushes, she watches. The verb takes s if it ends in o, x, ch, esh, s. Go, goes. Watch, watches. Wash, washes. We add ies for y and before it a consonant. Examples. Cry, cries. Study, studies. Keywords every, day, week, month, year. Every. Often, always, sometimes, usually examples. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. She usually watches TV at night.